Okay, so I'm doing something a little different today. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Hard Body Supplements OMG Pre-Workout Super Formula. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, or even if you just want to say hi. I'd like to talk to you guys too. And please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me. Anyway, let's get started. I've got my product here. It's the OMG Pre-Workout Super Formula, like I said before. This is the stim version. Now they do have non-stim if you're into that, but anyway, I got mine off of Amazon. You can get it off of their website. I will put that somewhere here, and you can check that out. Now, looking at the label, it's a pretty cute package if you're into that. I see it has 0 total carbs, which is keto friendly. I'm super happy about that. It's got 0 grams of sugar, ecstatic about that. It's got 0 calories, happy about that as well. And there's no artificial colors, which I'm extremely happy about because I really don't need my pre-workout to be a vibrant blue color or whatever just to make it look good. I'd rather not have those artificial colors destroying my body. So I've already checked out the ingredients because I wanted to know exactly what I was buying and to make sure that it was clean. And for the most part, it is. There's only 2 ingredients that kind of rose red flags for me, and that is the orange bitter extract and the natural blue raspberry flavoring. So let's talk first about the orange bitter extract. That contains synephrine, and synephrine is similar to ephedra, which was banned by the FDA for causing heart issues, stroke, and high blood pressure. Synephrine has also potentially been linked to causing high blood pressure and heart issues as well. So if you suffer from that, maybe stay away from this pre-workout, but I mean, I don't think you really are supposed to have caffeine if you have heart issues. So maybe stay away from caffeine altogether or consult with your doctor. You can never go wrong with talking to your doctor first. Now, the second one was the natural blue raspberry flavoring. Natural flavoring is so sketchy to me to begin with because the FDA considers anything from the earth to be natural. So you could literally be having beaver anal gland secretions in your food, which is actually what natural vanilla flavoring is. And you don't even know it because it's a lot cheaper than, let's say, vanilla beans, and you just have no idea. So you have to be really careful. Now this company seems to be pretty clean, and they do prioritize clean ingredients over, I guess, cheap ingredients. So hopefully they do use some good quality natural flavorings, not beaver anal gland secretions. Okay, let's take a look inside now. So I have already opened it up because I just didn't want to be fumbling everywhere, but I haven't tried it, I promise. Okay, first reaction. It's all clumpy. I hate that. That's annoying. Okay, I'll try and show you. Can you see all that? How clumpy it is? I mean, hopefully it'll dissolve easily, so then I won't have to worry about that. Okay, aside from the clumpiness, there's hardly any product actually in here. There's like nothing in here. I mean, they do use better quality ingredients, so yes, it is a bit more of a premium product. They don't put as much in there as well, so hopefully this works. If it works, then maybe I'd consider using it, but if it doesn't work, then hit the road, Jack.
Get out! Out!
This is something I need to talk about, the scoop. Look how long it is. That's a really great bonus because there have been tons of times where I've gone to like get the scoop and it's been way down there all covered in the powder and you're like, your hands get all dirty and it's gross. Whereas the scoop just fits really nicely in there, so I'm really happy about that. Now let's actually taste it. so this dissolved pretty well. The only part that didn't dissolve were the clumpy bits, but I guess that's okay. If you get one that doesn't have clumpy bits in it, then this will dissolve absolutely perfectly. You won't have any issues. Anyway, let's give it a try. Oh, it's a little sour. But then it has that sweet element from the stevia at the end, so it's actually quite nice. I can taste a little bit of blue raspberry, but it's not overpowering. It's a pretty mild, tame flavor. It's not like those other pre-workouts that just hit you with a bunch of flavors. This is actually pretty nice. I wouldn't be drinking it just for funsies. I mean, it has a purpose, but it's definitely not a horrible thing to drink. Anyway, I'm gonna put this to the test now. I'm gonna go work out. Well, first I gotta finish it, and then I'm gonna go work out, and I'll let you know how it is. Be right back. Okay, my hair's a mess and I'm still sweating a little bit, but that was an amazing workout. I worked chest and I worked shoulders, and they're definitely gonna hurt in the morning because I pushed really hard, I upped my weight, and I honestly have to thank this pre-workout for it. It hit just as well as normal pre-workouts do, and wow. I just felt amazing. I felt strong, powerful. I felt controlled because I didn't get that jittery feeling that some pre-workouts have given me in the past. It was just some really good sustained energy that lasted throughout my entire workout. If you are looking for a clean pre-workout powder, this is definitely one that you should probably try. I am very impressed. So in saying that, I give it an 8 out of 10 because I didn't really love some of the ingredients, and I also didn't really love the clumpiness of the powder. If they fixed the clumpiness of the powder, and if they disclosed the natural blue raspberry flavoring, then I would probably give it maybe an 8, and no, sorry, not an 8.5. No, I'd probably give it a 9 out of 10, yeah, because I'm just so happy with it. However, it is a little bit expensive, so I'm probably not gonna have it every single workout. I'll probably just have it maybe on the days I need a little extra motivation. But I mean, it's your choice, depending on what you can afford. I definitely would recommend this though. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel if you wanna see videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.